We just had new neighbors move in yesterday. And I know you've heard me talk about this in the past with this house next door. And there's so many people that have been in and out of there that have done things that I don't approve of. And, well, the law doesn't approve of. But now we just got new neighbors. I haven't met them yet. I saw the U-Haul pull in late at night, and I am hoping and praying and believing that I finally got good neighbors and these are good people, and whatever previous activities have gone on in that house are done and never to return. So that's my belief. That's my wish. That's what I'm hoping for. There's my piece. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.